Hi everyone, this is Mariana Valencia. Let's prepare delicious energy balls with Etnico freeze-dried fruit. In the first step, we are going to hydrate our dates with boiling water. Then, we pulverize the Etnico freeze-dried mango. We continue processing the rest of our ingredients. Vanilla essence, peanut butter, previously hydrated dates, oatmeal, cinnamon, and finally a serving of honey. Blend these ingredients until getting a homogeneous mix. Now we are going to make balls, flatten them, and here we are going to use our Etnico freeze-dried banana. Put a banana into your mix, cover it very well, and make balls. Pass it through the previously pulverized mango and repeat this action as many times as necessary, until finish using all the mix. You can store these energy balls in the fridge and enjoy them whenever you want. To discover more recipes and all our products information, follow us on Etnico_US.